Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have swatches on the Glam Polish Chillin Like a Villain 2 collection for you. Glam Polish contacted me after my previous review and they offered me to swatch again 5 shades from their upcoming collection. This is the Chillin Like a Villain 2 collection, which will be a limited edition collection, and these 10 new shades are inspired by Disney and Pixar Villains. The release date for this is August 28th at 2 p.m. EST, and I will link for you everything, of course, in the description box, so you can find all the details about the polishes and where you can purchase them there. There is also a promo again, so the first 72 hours you can save 5% of all individual shades with the code VILLAIN5, or 10% off the full collection with the code VILLAIN10. Again, I will link for you everything in the description box. And after watching my swatch video, if you are interested in any of these shades, you can go ahead and just click on the link. It's not an affiliated link or anything. It will just take you directly to the company's website. So a big thank you to Glam Polish for sending me these polishes. In today's video, as I mentioned, I will swatch these for you on my natural nails. And of course, if you do enjoy swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up. And also hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos. Just one thing I want to point out again about their polishes: the brush on this is relatively skinny and long. The formula is pretty good to work with, so I didn't really have any issues with the brush being a little bit skinnier than what I'm used to. However, the formula on this is a little bit runnier, so just make sure that you wipe off any excess polish so that it doesn't give you kind of like a blob running down your stem. But I didn't really have any issues with any of these polishes, and I would definitely recommend you any of them. I think my favorite has to be this black one off with their head, but all of these are really good. For the most part, they are 2 coaters. So let me know which polish out of these 5 is your favorite. This is a 10-piece collection. I only received half of the collection, but I believe that this is a pretty good representation of the entire collection. And I also like the theme, the villains of Disney and Pixar movies. That's really cute. And with the almost upcoming Halloween, I can't believe I'm saying it, these colors are exactly what will satisfy your craving for some fun Halloween colors as well. Alright guys, that's it for the intro. If you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. Continue watching my swatch portion, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.